Hi everyone, I'm Niranjana Gayatri from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. In this video, we are going to see about the stock price prediction over here. The aim of the stock price prediction is to develop a recurrent neural network. Okay, let us see the problem statement over here and the data set which we are using. We aim to build a RNN model to predict the stock prices of Google using the dataset provided. The dataset has many features, but we will be predicting the open feature alone. We will be using a sequence of 60 readings to predict the 61st reading. Note, these parameters can be changed as per the requirements. Okay, now let us see the design steps over here. We have 6 steps. So the first step is we need to read the CSV file and create the data frame using the pandas. And the step 2 is to select the open column for the prediction or select any column for your interest and scale the values using the min-max scaler. Now the step 3 is to create two lists for the X train and the Y train and append the collection of 60 readings in X train for which the 61st reading will be the first output in the Y train. The step 4 is to create a model with a desired number of neurons and one output neuron. Step 5 is to follow the same steps to create the test data. But make sure, guys, you combine the training data with the test data. The step 6 is to make the predictions and plot the graph with the actual and the predicted values. Now, let us see the execution of the program. Here is the program which we are using. So this code snippet demonstrates how to use a simple RNN to predict the stock prices. So here is the breakdown of the key parts. So let me explain you this. First of all, data preparation. So read a CSV file containing the stock price data. Scales the open column of the training set using a min-max scaler. The second step is feature engineering. Create sequences of 60 stock prices as input features X train and the 61st stock prices as the output of Y train. The third one is building a model. So use Keras to build a simple RNN model. Compiles the model using the Adam optimizer and the mean squared error loss function. Now, let us train the model. So model training fits the model to the training data for 100 epochs. Next, test data preparation. Read a test CSV file containing additional stock price data. Scales the data using the same min-max scaler using for the training set. Next, we need to predict, okay? So uses the trained model to predict the stock prices for the test set of X test. Inverse transforms the scaled predictions to get the actual stock prices. The seventh step is to visualize these things. So plot the real and predicted stock prices over the time. Finally, the output. So displays the plot of real versus predicted stock prices, prints the name and registration number of the developer. Note, ensure that the CSV files exist in a working directory and contain the required stock price data. So here you can see the output of the program. So the true stock price and the predicted stock price versus the time. So this was the output which we are getting after the above mentioned coding. So we are getting a mean square error of loss 1.87 and the result. So we have successfully created a simple RNN model for the stock price prediction. Thank you and that's it for today.